Alright, YouTube, so welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and you can see that's the GOVO Dolby Atmos Soundbar. The Dolby Atmos logo is right there on the right side. You can see. So today I'm going to do the detailed sound test of this thing. As you can see, it's all connected now. So I'm going to connect it to my mobile phone, and of course, mobile phone, the Bluetooth is not going to give you the Atmos sound, but the top speakers are going to work. You can see on this side one, and on that side the other one, and fronts are there. That's the left channel and that's the right channel. So let me turn this thing on and do some music test on this thing. And as you know, that's a 6.5-inch subwoofer driver, and the enclosure is quite big one. If you didn't see the unboxing video, then go to my video list and check the unboxing of this thing out, or I'm gonna give the link in the I button right there. So check that out, the unboxing and first impression video. Hope you're gonna like that one. So now let me turn this thing on. As you can see, the display is quite big one, and that's the sound of Bluetooth. The display is big one, and the nice thing is that the display goes off after a few seconds. So when you are watching the TV or anything, the soundbar is going to stay at your front, but the light is not going to disturb you at all. That's the nice thing. You're going to see the light will go off in a few seconds, even the soundbar is on working. So let's start the show.
It's the flower, mine is lost. Beyond space, beyond time. Give me a fire, clear my mind. Self-love, so divine. You are human, just like now. I can see it in the dark.
So if I talk about the sound, it's in my word is very good, and the point is you're going to give it a time to burn in, like for a few minutes or half an hour on an hour, like that. So after the burn-in period, you will get much better sound from any home theaters and speakers. So exactly just like that, the first two songs you have heard without the 3D on. And so here in the remote control, you can see that's a 3D button right there. So when you press that button, then the top speakers, the Atmos speakers, they work louder, and also the bass increased. So when you press that 3D button, then the sound is like more immersive and surround kind of sound. So from the third song, you will get that 3D on sound. So check that out, and we use the headphone.
And keep your guns high. It's a war zone. It's a war zone. And I'll be fighting for my life. So keep your guns high. It's a war zone. It's a war zone. And I'll be fighting. I'm
let's check some Dolby trailers and Dolby sound effects and all.
This is Dolby Cinema. It's where the most advanced cinematic technology you've ever experienced begins. This is Dolby Atmos. The number of speakers around you no longer matters, because this is the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy. Whether the soundscape sets the mood of a scene,
Come on, you guys, let's go!
or captures the full extent
My secret.
of nature's fury. And remember this?
For centuries, there was harmony. The Titans were the guardians of nature. We've discovered a signal. She can feel it. Kong, Godzilla.
What? Oh.
So guys, you heard the trailers and all, and that was like amazing. Like this thing was playing here and I was standing right there, and I was feeling like when the Dolby Atmos trailers and all playing, the sound effects coming from here and there, I was feeling like I have surround speakers at the back and they are playing like all the sounds and all. So the surrounds effect is very good when you have that kind of sound format like that. You'll not get the surround effects and Atmos effects from any kind of sound format. All the movies, not at all. But surrounds movies, you'll get obviously the surrounds effect, and Dolby Atmos is not something you'll get everywhere. So it is yet to come. But for the price I paid, like 12,000, this soundbar, Atmos soundbar, is quite good, but I prefer it for 10,000. But as the Dolby Atmos is not that much effective, so I prefer the price would be like 10,000 and all. But now on Amazon you'll get this thing at 11,000. So if you want Atmos kind of surrounds effect, but you don't want to use the surround speakers at your back kind of thing, then go there and grab that thing. It's a nice one. So that's it. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.